the future of social media for car salespeople. Social media has revolutionized the way people buy cars, and for salespeople, it's become a game-changing tool for building relationships, generating leads, and driving success. Gone are the days when sales were only about foot traffic and cold calls. Today, it's about meeting customers where they are, online. Social media offers car sales professionals an unparalleled opportunity to stand out, connect with buyers, and grow their personal brands. Let's dive into how social media is shaping the future of car sales. Social media as your virtual sales lot. For salespeople, social media is more than a tool, it's your personal sales lot. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok allow you to showcase inventory, highlight your expertise, and connect with buyers before they even visit the dealership. Showcase your expertise and inventory. With high-quality photos, videos, and detailed posts, you can highlight the best features of vehicles and demonstrate your knowledge. Engage buyers with live content. Hosting live walkarounds or Q&A sessions gives potential customers a real-time glimpse of the cars and builds trust. Create a personal brand. Use your social media presence to position yourself as a trusted advisor, rather than just another salesperson. Personalized connections. Build trust. Social media allows car salespeople to create personal, meaningful connections with potential buyers. Unlike traditional advertising, it's an interactive space where you can engage directly with customers and tailor your communication to their needs. Know your audience. Social media platforms offer valuable insights into who your audience is, allowing you to target posts and ads based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Answer questions in real time. Responding to comments, DMs, and inquiries shows buyers you're attentive and accessible. Stay top of mind. Consistent, relevant posts keep you visible to your audience, ensuring they think of you when it's time to buy. Your name is your brand. In the competitive world of auto sales, buyers are drawn to people they trust. Social media gives you the tools to build a recognizable and reliable personal brand that sets you apart. Share customer success stories. Highlight happy buyers and their experiences to build credibility and attract referrals. Use visuals to tell your story. Post videos of vehicle features, test drives, or even day-in-the-life content to show your audience who you are. Leverage testimonials. Positive reviews and recommendations on social platforms build confidence in potential buyers. The future of selling cars is online. The car buying process is moving online, and salespeople who embrace this shift will have a significant advantage over those who don't. Social media is at the forefront of this evolution. Leads from social media ads. Targeted ads can bring qualified buyers directly to your inbox or dealership, saving you time and effort. Interactive and visual content. From Instagram Reels to TikTok challenges, dynamic content makes it easier to capture attention and engage buyers. The power of reviews. Buyers trust social proof. Testimonials, ratings, and positive interactions on your profiles can influence their decisions. Social media is no longer just a place to post photos. It's a tool that can transform your career in auto sales. By using it to showcase your skills, engage with buyers, and build a personal brand, you position yourself as more than just a salesperson. You become the expert buyers trust. But maintaining a consistent and professional social media presence takes time, effort, and expertise. That's where social sales success comes in. We make social media effortless by creating, posting, and optimizing custom content tailored to you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your career to the next level, we'll help you stand out and succeed. Here's a pro tip. Most of us don't have time to get good at the whole social media thing, even though we know how important it is to our future in the car business. But if there was a way, you could outsource on autopilot the whole thing for only $19.99 per month. The future is digital. Don't get left behind. Check out Social Sales Success at socialsalessuccess.com. These guys will ensure you have a steady stream of professional content posted consistently to help grow your social and make your presence known. That will give you the edge you need to stay ahead of the competition. Check them out today at socialsalessuccess.com. You will be glad you did. Use the code below for 75% off your first month. Happy selling.